Freedom Mortgage at its core is a company that facilitates home ownership. It's a company that's focused on veterans, low-income borrowers, and we provide that opportunity for tens of thousands of people throughout the country. The problem that the data governance organization was trying to solve prior to bringing Bigeye into the equation was, how do we govern at scale? There's a tremendous amount of data that comes in at the top of the funnel, and we, as a data governance organization, govern a small percentage of that data at the bottom of the funnel. We're a small team. The data governance organization is a small group of individuals. The bandwidth was becoming an issue. Three key criteria that we were looking for in the vendor selection process. One was being able to govern at a very high level at scale. The second criteria was the ability to apply granular data quality rules, custom data quality rules. And the third criteria was lineage, right? The ability to see where our data starts and where it ends and everything that happens in between. Bigeye has provided us with that transparency and that insight into all of the data that's coming into the data space at Freedom Mortgage. Bigeye brings all of that data into a centralized pane of glass, so to speak, and it puts it all in a place where it's very easy to understand, it's very easy to monitor, it's very easy to track. What Bigeye is doing is it's helping us to be much more efficient and effective, because we're able to monitor the data, the quality of the data, so the data is accurate the first time, every time. Data observability is utilizing technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning to look at data. We're no longer telling the data what the data should look like. The challenge was, how do we govern more of that data? How do we put oversight and monitoring at the top of the funnel so that we can have eyes and transparency and monitoring on top of that funnel? Bigeye will provide us, as we move forward, the ability to continue to ingest more and more data and ensure, as we ingest that data, that we have the transparency over top of that data, and we can ensure the accuracy and the quality of that data. What's next for Freedom Mortgage and Bigeye is the continued expansion of the Bigeye product into the different data areas within Freedom Mortgage, within our data operations teams, within our corporate analytics and reporting teams. Bigeye was very willing to partner and help Bigeye to get better. They care what Freedom thinks, they care what Freedom has to say, and they're working with Freedom Mortgage and their other customers to build their product out that meets the specific needs of their customers. Bigeye is the opposite. They're willing to partner with us. So we're able to proactively communicate our needs, our wants, and work interactively with Bigeye to accomplish those needs.